How to find Robinhood Gold Card number and account number. Open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. Tap your profile icon to access your main account menu. Go to the credit card section if you have the Gold Card. Select the Gold Card and choose the option to view card details. Verify your identity with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to see the full card number. Return to the profile menu to find your brokerage information. Open the account information or show numbers section. View your brokerage account number listed with your personal details. Contact in-app support if either number does not appear or cannot be accessed. Thank you for watching.